Saturday morning fabrics. Yay, yay, yay. Look at this. Oh, these are so pretty. And so I didn't know what else to title them besides Summer Pretties. They're just Summer Pretties. Summer Pretties. This is a pink, beautiful, not a hot, not a light, but just kind of in between. 100% cotton, stretch in both directions. And it just goes with these other fabrics. So lovely. Look at that. A little gray tie-dye. 100% cotton, stretch in both directions. It's just lovely. Great drape. Oh, so pretty. I threw in this white because it's amazing. It's like a pantoroma, but the drape, oh my goodness, the drape is just incredible. It has stretch in both directions. It's 100% cotton. And look at your hand behind, you can't see through it. Yay! And then this print is just gorgeous because it goes with, this is not really a white, it's kind of like a light cream, but this is a little darker cream, but it blends beautifully. And then it goes with the pink, it goes with that blue. Isn't it beautiful? This is a rayon, 100, well, it's a viscose. It's Italian and it's viscose. But it's such a beautiful, kind of an abstract floral. I just love it, love it, love it, love it. And then this blue is just beautiful. This is a cotton poly blend. It's got a little bit of poly in there. All fabrics, or a lot of fabrics for fall, are starting to have sheen to them. So we're going to see a little bit of this light sheen. You could use the backside, which is less, but it's really beautiful. And it ties in with this really pretty blue. Isn't that gorgeous together? And this is a burnout, and it's got stretch in both directions. Also, this is a woven, by the way. It's kind of obviously a little zigzag print. Burnout, it's a cotton poly. You've always got to have two fibers on a burnout, so it's a cotton and a poly. And then what you notice about this is how both sides are usable. I really can't tell the difference between the front and the back a little bit, but it's just so cute for any of those little toppers that you're doing that are, you know, you're using both sides. So all $11.99 today and tomorrow, and then they'll go up. Happy Saturday sewing from Silhouette Patterns.